This video will show you how to bring data into NVivo. Once you have your NVivo project open, you're ready to bring your data in. First of all, however, it's useful to consider how you're going to organise it. Your data always has to be stored within the data area in folder view. However, you can create as many subfolders as you want to organise this further. For this project, I might have two key data types, interviews and literature. For this reason, I'm going to create two folders. To do this, all I need to do is right-click on Files within folder view and choose New Folder. First, I'm going to create my interviews folder and then click OK. And then secondly, repeat this process to create my literature folder. I'm now ready to bring data in. I start by going to the correct folder, in this case, interviews. I'll need to click close at the bottom of this screen to remove this helpful reminder. There are three ways you can bring data into NVivo. You can use the import ribbon at the top to bring in files or specific types of files using the options. Alternatively, you can right click in list view and choose import items. This will open up a Windows Explorer window. You can then browse to where your files are stored and select them to bring them in. In this case, I'm bringing in 4 files, 2 Microsoft Word documents and 2 MP4 files. As soon as I click open and then import in NVivo, those files are brought in so we can work with them. To open any of these files, all I need to do is double click on them. As I open up multiple files, you'll see they load as tabs within the program, and I can click across these tabs to navigate between these files that are open. I could right click on one of them and choose Close All to get rid of all open files. Or I could choose Close All but this to get rid of all of them apart from the one I have selected. If you need to rename any of your files, all you need to do is right click on it, then choose Properties. It will say File Properties, Video Properties, Image Properties and so on depending on the file type. And then in here, you can simply rename and click OK, and that change is reflected in the main file area. Both when right clicking and in the import menu, you'll notice there's options to import from survey files and also from a range of other programs. Some of these will be covered in other videos. Another option you have is to drag and drop files into NVivo. You can only do this with common file types like Microsoft Word files, .pdf files, and images, video and audio. You won't be able to do this with anything that requires a special import such as an EndNote file or bringing in data from OneNote. To drag and drop data, all you need to do is open the folder you wish to import into, close the information here, and then open the relevant window, select the files you wish to import, and then drag and drop them into the white area of list view. You'll then see those files are brought in and they're ready to edit, code and view in NVivo.